What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter, bacon, and banana sandwich just like old Elvis, baby, because Elvis loved this sandwich. There's a couple sandwiches that Elvis loved. Elvis got some stories about it, man. And one involved this sandwich. It was said that he used to eat this almost every morning at Graceland, for breakfast when he was out there chilling and doing his thing. But there's another one called the Fool's Loaf. That's a restaurant. I think he had to fly to like a restaurant in Denver or something, and he got like 50 of those things, man. No wonder that boy was busting out of his sequin suit down there in Vegas. You know what I'm talking about? So, I'm kind of going to do a combination of both is what I'm going to do. Little old Elvis, little new Elvis, little time far gone Elvis. So, this is what I'm going to do. We're going to have some banana, the bacon, and the peanut butter. Now, let's go ahead and get to it because, we're caught in a trap. We can't walk out because I love this sandwich, baby. And you're going to love it too. So, first thing you got to do, bacon sandwich, what you need. That bacon, buddy. Put that thing in the pan. Let it sizzle, let it fizzle. Got that thick cut today, just like me and old later Elvis, out there doing this number here. So, we go ahead and get our thick cut bacon, put it in the pan. It's very good. Now, let's get some white bread. And the thing about old Elvis, I watched the thing, on the old TikTok or whatever. And he was cooking them sandwiches up in some butter. I'm not going to use butter today. I'm going to show you how I do it. So, we're going to take our bread, we're going to lay it down. I'm going to use some creamy peanut butter. It's going to be creamy smooth, like when Elvis was singing Blue Hawaii. So, got our peanut butter on there. Next thing you need to do, get that banana, boy. And if you know me, you know I like that banana. Always got it in the house. So, cut up some slices, put it on top of our peanut butter bread. Now, that bacon should be just about done. Go ahead and pull it out. And put some bacon right on top of your sandwich there, Elvis, because you're going to be out there in your blue suede shoes dancing over this boy. He wanted to get back to Graceland fast in that pink Cadillac, sir. Maybe so he could karate chop Alice Cooper. Y'all ever heard that story? Look that up. This is a story for another day. So, got the bacon, got the banana, got the stuff. Put your bread on top. I like to put a little extra peanut butter on the top of there because peanut butter's good. So, go ahead and put that on top of there. Now we're going to put that right back in the bacon grease. See, Elvis used the butter. I'm going to use that bacon grease. I think he would approve over there. You know what I'm talking about. So, old Elvis and me, we'll put that in there, let it fry, and once it gets done, we're going to have a side and we're going to have a big old bite of this banana sandwich tonight. Well, I'm ready to do it. Aren't you? I think so. Yeah. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The peanut butter banana sandwich is done. Now I have the first bite with old Elvis himself. Look what I got here. So, what do you think, Elvis? Did I do it right? We'll see. I did do it right, Elvis. I did do it right, Elvis. Man, that peanut butter in there. And that banana, peanut butter and banana, good combination anyway. But that salty bacon and that toasted bread, man, that's a breakfast delight. Could be good for day or night. Would you be flying? I'd be flying down an airplane to get this. I'll see what you're talking about, boy. I wish you crazy fool. We miss you. Thank you for the music and thank you for this sandwich. And thank you out there for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, me and Elvis about to dive in. So, what do you say? Little jailhouse rock on these sandwiches, boy? What do you know? Yeah.